Looking to upgrade a SolarEdge site with storage? You're in the right place. This video will guide you through the storage sizing capabilities in SolarEdge Designer and how they enable efficient storage planning. To get started, let's create a designer project by importing an existing monitoring site you'd like to enhance with storage. Search for the site you need and confirm the match by clicking Next and Import. The site is in Designer now. Open the project and start upgrading it. If the site is missing a 3D model, or if PV modules are misplaced, we recommend refining the site to mirror the actual site layout. Now let's go to the Consumption tab. For an existing site with an energy meter, like this one, the consumption profile is pulled from monitoring. Alternatively, you can upload it here. Without a consumption profile, storage options aren't available, as Designer relies on this data to the most suitable battery for a given site. Next, let's set the energy cost. Go to the pre-solar import rate and select the relevant utility provider and utility rate. If you can't find your provider, you can create a new one in just a few clicks. Rates are essential to determine financial value and assess ROI of adding storage to the site. Next, proceed to storage and backup. It's best to duplicate the design, so then you can easily compare versions with and without storage. Don't forget to rename the designs for clarity. In the upper section of the storage and backup screen, you'll see that the operation mode is pre-selected according to the utility rates we just set. If you go with the time of use mode, you get control over grid charge and discharge settings. Now, let's adjust the storage capacity as an example. Everything is ready for obtaining the storage recommendation. Click Simulate. The simulation runs all possible SolarEdge storage combinations to determine the best option for this site, given the defined capacity. The simulation is done. In this case, it returned 5 configuration options, along with a comparison of each option, including self-consumption and bill savings. To get more suggestions, you can manually add another option or adjust the settings and rerun the simulation. If no storage price appears for certain options, you can add it through the product catalog here or the Financials tab later on. To give you a complete designer experience, we're displaying prices for illustration purposes only. These prices do not intend to represent actual costs. Let's go ahead with the pre-selected option. Below, you'll find the energy chart preview, showing energy breakdowns with yearly, monthly, and daily predictions of charges and discharges. Let's apply this option to a current design. The selected storage is added to an electrical design. Feel free to drag the batteries to the spot where they'll be placed on site. Next, let's quickly review financials. This is where you can change the storage price for this site without updating the product catalog. The last step is to navigate to the Summary and Reports page. The card highlighting storage benefits is located here, right at the top. It includes all key metrics related to storage, such as self-consumption, savings, annual net benefit, and more. You also have a toggle that lets you compare systems with and without storage, along with other relevant simulation results. After finalizing the design, you can share it with customers or other SolarEdge Designer users. Once approved, export the design back to monitoring, so the site reflects the new equipment and layout changes, if any. You're now ready to take full advantage of the storage sizing capabilities. Happy designing!